Want arms that turn heads? Flexed biceps. Here's the ultimate bicep workout to build size, strength, and insane peaks. Let's go. Exercise 1. Barbell curl. Primary muscles, biceps brachii, both long and short heads. Always start with lighter weights to properly warm up the biceps. Avoid jerking or swinging, keep the motion controlled. Done correctly, this movement builds both size and strength in the arms. Use a straight barbell, gripping it at shoulder width for best activation. Exercise 2. Alternating dumbbell curl. Another excellent exercise for building bigger, well-shaped biceps. You can perform it either standing or seated. Use challenging weight, but maintain strict form, no cheating. Focus on squeezing the bicep at the top of the curl. You can alternate one arm at a time or curl both together. This exercise is especially effective for fast growth and definition. Exercise 3. Dumbbell hammer curl. Main target, brachialis and forearm muscles. Hold the dumbbells with a neutral grip, palms facing each other. This helps add thickness to the outer arm and makes the biceps look wider. Lift the dumbbell up, hold for a second at the top, then slowly lower it back down under control. This move not only builds the arms but also strengthens grip power, helping you lift heavier in other exercises. Perform 3 to 4 sets of 10 to 12 representatives. Exercise for machine preacher curl. Target, brachialis. Many gyms have a preacher curl machine, but you can also use an EZ bar on a preacher bench. The benefit is that your upper body is locked in place, forcing the biceps to do all the work. Curl the handle upward, squeeze for 1 to 2 seconds, then lower slowly with control. Start with lighter weight and progressively increase as your sets go on. Exercise 5. Barbell spider curl. Target, biceps peak. This lesser-known exercise is performed while lying face down on an incline bench, chest supported. Using a straight bar, or dumbbells, curl their weight up and focus on contracting the muscle hard at the top. Because your body is locked, there's no chance of cheating. This movement is excellent for building a higher, fuller bicep peak. Exercise 6. Reverse grip EZ bar curl. Final exercise to pump and finish the biceps. Hold the EZ bar with an underhand, reverse, grip, palms facing down. Choose a moderate weight and curl upward, contracting the biceps and forearms together. This exercise not only works the arms but also strengthens the forearms for a balanced look. Perform 3 to 4 sets of 10 to 12 representatives for maximum effect.